Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you 3 simple and inexpensive handmade Christmas gift ideas that I made. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then just keep watching. For my crystal Tealight candle holder, I use one of the Dollar Tree round mirrors as well as one of their Tealight candle holders, 4 small gems that I already had, these beads that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, as well as my E6000. So the first thing I did was use my E6000 to attach the 4 clear glass gems to the bottom of my round mirror. I glued the gems down with the flat side faced up. I gave that glue just a few minutes to set, and then I turned my mirror over and used that same strong adhesive to attach the Tealight candle holder to the center of my mirror. "30 minutes later, I used that strong adhesive to attach 10 of the large clear beads along the sides of my mirror. As you can see, this package comes with both small and large beads. I only used the large beads for the first layer of this candle holder. I allowed this to dry for a complete 2 hours, and then I added a second layer of the large beads as well. I let that second layer of the beads dry for an additional hour, and then I added a third layer, but I used the smaller beads instead. I repeated those steps to make a second candle holder. I allowed both candle holders to dry for 24 hours, and here was my finished look. For my glass 2-tiered serving tray, I used 2 of the Dollar Tree clear plates, 3 packages of their Tealight candle holders, more of the same beads from my previous project, and my E6000. So the first thing I did was attach one of my plates to one of my candle holders face down. I then glued 2 of my candle holders together, and then a 4th candle holder to my second plate faced up. I let all 3 of those pieces dry for about 2 hours, and then I glued the plate with the candle holder face up on top of the 2 candle holders that I had glued together. 2 hours later, I glued both of my pieces together with the plate with the 3 candle holders on top. Once I ensured that the serving tray was level, I added weight and I allowed this to dry for 24 hours. I didn't record myself doing this, but I also glued my third package of Tealight candle holders together, and I placed these candle holders on top of my serving tray. I then added some of these small beads that I had left from my first project to the first and second tier of my serving tray. Once my serving tray was completely dry, I cleaned my glass, cleared away any excess E6000, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my wine glass candles, I used 3 of the Dollar Tree wine glasses, some of their vanilla fragrance oil. I used some gel wax and Wicks that I purchased from Michael's, as well as some gold glitter. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. Because I've not made candles before, I decided to test only using half of my wax. I heated this wax on low temperature for about 20 minutes. While my wax was melting, I used my hot glue gun to attach one of the wicks to the bottom center of my wine glass. Next, I coated the inside of my wine glass with my gold glitter. Once my wax had melted, I turned off the heat and I let it cool for about 5 minutes. And then I added one of the small bottles of fragrance and just a little bit more of the glitter to my wax, and I stirred it for about 20 seconds. I then poured some of my wax into my first wine glass, and then I used a pen to help hold the wick in place until my wax cooled. The next day, I cut my wick, cleaned off the inside top of my wine glass, and here was my finished look. For my third candle, I decided to add a few drops of some pink liquid dye that I also purchased from Michael's for just a couple of dollars, and I think that both versions of these candles turned out beautiful. So there you have it, guys. 3 easy and inexpensive Christmas gift ideas that you can either make for yourself or for someone else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.